Okay, here I am giving you some questions for you to practice with variables so that you understand how the variables work. These are prerequisites before we actually try to do our programming part in NSChart. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so on the first video I just gave straightforward constant expressions. This time I'm giving you some expressions with variables. Okay, for that we'll assume these are our variables. Okay, basically we have five variables here: a variable called x, a variable called y, a variable called age, a variable called gender, a variable called phone, no, or phone number. Okay, no. These variable x contains 25, y contains Linda, age contains 37, gender contains female, phone number or phone no contains 0, triple five, triple four, triple three, some number. It doesn't matter. Okay, I'm not using any dash or code or whatever. I'm just assuming this as a phone number. Okay. Then, as we have gone through in our previous lessons, variables can be numeric variable or alphanumeric, right? So here we have x is a numeric variable because it contains a number. Age is a numeric variable because it also contains a number, 37. Okay. Y is an alphanumeric variable because we have put the name Linda inside that. So Y is a alphanumeric. Same goes for gender also. Gender variable contains the word female, so it's alphanumeric. It's not a number. You can't do arithmetic, right? Numeric means you should be able to do arithmetic with it, right? The other one is phone. Looks a little bit complicated. If you're first timers, uh, it's all numbers, but still this is an alphanumeric variable. Why? Because if we put phone number as numeric variable and store this number, this zero, leading zero will go off because numbers, the leading zeros have no place. When you even if you put leading zero, that will be lost and it will only keep from 555, 444, 333. This number only, because this part doesn't make sense. Okay, so you can't store the leading zero, and keep it if we require. So in a phone number, generally these leading zeros are also important. We need to have them. Therefore, we can't create the phone number variable as a numeric variable. The moment we create as a numeric variable, the leading zero will be lost. So because of that only, we are going to consider this as an alphanumeric variable. So in an alphanumeric variable, whatever you put there stays there. This is not a number. No, it doesn't consider this as a number. And anyway, phone number is not a number because you don't do arithmetic with phone numbers. You don't add, you don't subtract. I mean, it doesn't make sense to do anything like that. Similar to a house number. House numbers also you don't compare it as a numeric number. You don't add, subtract, average, nothing like that. Okay. So same goes for phone number, and this way I have kept as the alphanumeric variable. So we have one numeric variable called x, one alphanumeric variable called y, another numeric variable called age, another alphanumeric variable called gender, and another alphanumeric variable called phone number. Okay, so now let's go through the exercises. I'll quickly run through that. So you have to practice and come up with some kind of answers if you want to work through this. Do it and keep it. And in my next video, I will give each one with explanations like in the previous answers I gave. Okay, so let's start. The questions are: number one, 35 minus x divided by 5. Next question is 35 minus x divided by 5, same as the first one, but this time 35 minus x is within brackets. Then the third one, say, is x plus age minus x. Age minus x is within brackets, okay, divide by 6. So this C. D is x in double quotes and age minus x divided by 6 also in double quotes. So basically this part and this part, both parts I have put within double quotes, D. E, the entire thing is within double quotes. Okay. Then F me within double quotes plus y plus you go through your notes in the previous few lessons. If you go through, you will understand what this plus means. Okay, so do that. Then again, me in double quotes. This time y is also in double quotes. Here y is not in double quotes. Okay, the f g y is also in double quotes. Next one h y plus gender. These two are no double quotes. Okay, y plus gender. Next question is y plus a space. Okay, this is one space. I didn't write that, but this is one space again. Okay, plus gender. J y plus gender. In this case, both y and gender are within double quotes. Okay, unlike this. This one is without double quotes. This one is with double quotes. Of course, this one has an additional space. Next one, here same as this, but this time we have a space in between, one space. Okay, y in double quotes, there is one space. Gender is in also double quotes. Next one, gender plus phone noun. So no double quotes here. Then gender is there as it is, plus phone noun or phone number is in double quotes. Next one, gender is in double quotes, but phone number is without the double quotes. So if you look at okay, let me do the last one. This is the last one. Gender is also in double quotes. Phone number is also in double quotes. So here I have given you all kinds of variations for gender and phone number. If you look at the L1, it's both of them are without double quotes. If you look at the M1, gender is without double quotes, but phone number is with double quotes. If you look at the N1, gender is in double quotes, phone number is without double quotes. And finally, 0 or 01, gender is double quotes, phone is also in double quotes. So basically, this is the exercises I want you to try out. So please take time, go through and write the answers and keep it if you are interested in this. In the next video, I will provide you the solutions for these with explanations. Okay. That brings us to the end of the questions. Thank you very much.